To get started with Immersive View in Google Maps, first ensure that your device is compatible with this feature and that you have the latest version of Google Maps installed. Immersive View is a new way to explore destinations using Google Maps, providing a more interactive and engaging experience. Open Google Maps on your device and search for a location that supports Immersive View, such as major cities like New York or Tokyo. Once you have selected a location, tap on the location name at the top of the screen to access more information. Look for the Photos option and select it to see available images of the location. If Immersive View is available, you will see a preview of it in the Photos section. Tap on the Immersive View preview to enter this mode. In Immersive View, you can use gestures to navigate and explore the location in a more interactive way. You can zoom in and out by pinching your fingers, and move around by dragging your finger across the screen. This allows you to get a better sense of the location and its surroundings. As you explore the location, you can also access additional information such as street names, business hours, and reviews. This information is overlaid on top of the Immersive View, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the location. To get the most out of Immersive View, use it in conjunction with other Google Maps features such as Street View and Directions. This allows you to plan your route and explore destinations in a more immersive and engaging way. Overall, Immersive View in Google Maps provides a new and innovative way to explore destinations. By following these steps and using Immersive View in conjunction with other Google Maps features, you can get a more comprehensive understanding of locations and plan your trips more effectively.